Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CCP and government failed to act in Panji market scam. CCP intends legal contract with original lessees. Lessees don't turn up. Agarwal report slams corporators. Be alert, verify, check, recheck, be sure with changing room you use in ready-made garment outlet. Check for hidden cameras or two-way mirrors. Prudent special. Pealing of church bells, midnight masses mark symbolic resurrection of Jesus Christ. It's Happy Easter. Goa Foundation to file fresh petition against Keri Terakol Bridge, says NGT found CRZ violation. Objection to works on private forest on Terakol side. And Goa weightlifting in shambles. Goa gold medalist claims exploitation, lacks attitude in association. Gold medalist travel back home sleeping adjacent to a toilet in train. Now the news in detail. CCP and the government both have failed to act in the Panji market shop allotment scam. BJP and party panel in the CCP is back in power again after a decade. But illegal shopkeepers still run the Panji market. CCP intends to get into fresh contract with the original lessees. But the lessees don't turn up as they have sublet the shops to the illegal ones. Agarwal committee's report says all the then corporators were aware about the illegalities but tried to regularize the illegalities. A special report.
Prudent has gotten access to the copy of ND Agarwal committee's report on Panji market scam. According to the report, the scam started in July 2003. Manohar Parrikar's government had just finished with the first phase of market work. The report says that shops allotted to unauthorized person in new Panji market, shops were given without any fee or tax. Market committee and officers were aware about illegalities. Attempts were made to regularize such illegal act and shop allotment to unauthorized persons since its inception. The findings of the report also says that one shop number was given to multiple shops. One allotment letter, one person occupied 3 places. No record of allotment available with the CCP. Occupants' allotment letters do not have any letter, number or date of issue. Allotted places to the shopkeepers were already occupied by some other persons. Later spaces were provided at the place where planned escalator were to be built. The 2010 report by an officer has also highlighted these irregularities. Still, market committee and officers decided to regularize the shops and illegal allotment. Not a single shopkeeper pays the CCP. Corporation faces a loss of almost 9 crores every year. In 2013, the report was submitted to the CCP Commissioner and was asked to take necessary action. Commissioner says CCP is working towards signing leave and lease license contract with the original shopkeepers. He says that once original shopkeepers are identified, it would be easy to identify and evict the fake and bogus shopkeepers in the market. However, sources said that till date not a single original shopkeeper has come forward to sign a legal contract with the CCP. Seems like neither the CCP nor the government are in a position to enforce an action plan to tackle the shop scam. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Be alert, verify, check, recheck and be sure with the changing room you use in any ready-made garment outlet. Check for hidden cameras or two-way mirrors. This is on the backdrop of expose of hidden camera focused on a changing in one of the popular clothing brands like Fab India. Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani had exposed it. Ladies have to be alert when you visit any garment outlet. Here is a special report by Sneha Sabnis.
चेंजिंग रूमान हिडन कॅमेरा असा काय कितें और टू वे मिरर असा काय ना हे तुम्ही सोदून काढू शकता. त्याच्या खातीर थोडे काय मोजक्यो टेक्निक्स आसा त्यो आज तुमकां हांव दाखयतलें. जेन्ना तुमी चेंजींग रूम वापरता तेन्ना सगळ्यान पयलीं CCTV कॅमेरा आसा जाल्यार पळयात. चेंजींग रूम जे आसा थंय CCTV कॅमेरा आसा जाल्यार पळयात. CCTV कॅमेरा जर ना जाल्यार तुमकां भिवपाची गरज ना. दुसरें म्हळ्यार दार पळयात. चेंजींग रूमाचे जे दार आसात ते चडशे कडेन अशे फुल्ली पॅक्ड आसता, पण कांय कडेन मदीं गॅप दवरतात, व्हेंटिलेशना खातीर म्हणून गॅप दवरतात. ते जर गॅप आसा जाल्यार तुमकां CCTV कॅमेरा बी तपासचो पडटलो. भितर जेन्ना तुमी वतात तेन्ना कितें तुमकां दुबावीत गजाल दिसता जाल्यार पळयात. हे हिडन कॅमेरा तुमकां कळचे सुद्दां ना हिडन कॅमेरा म्हणून. ताच्या खातीर एक टेस्ट आसा, ती म्हळ्यार तुमचो मोबायल फोन घेयात. मोबायल फोन घेतलो, नेटवर्क आसा जाल्यार पळयात. नेटवर्क जर तुमच्या फोनाक आसा, भितर वतना तुमी फोन करात. जेन्ना तुमी फोन करतले तेन्ना हिडन कॅमेरा आसा जाल्यार डिस्टर्बन्स आयकूंक येतलो तुमकां, म्हणजे कोण कोणा कडेन उलयतात ते आयकूंक येवचो ना आवाज. तशें आसल्यार भितर हिडन कॅमेरा आसा म्हणून तुमी समजुपाचें. दुसरें म्हळ्यार 2 वे मिररूय आसूं शकता. 2 वे हारसो सोदून आसा काय ना तें पळोवपाक सिंपल टेस्ट म्हळ्यार तुमच्या बोटाचो वापर करून तुमी ही टेस्ट करूंक शकता. हारसो आसा ताका असो बोट लावप आनी जर तुमचो बोट आनी हारशान जे बोट दिसता ताच्या मदीं जर गॅप आसा जाल्यार तुमकां भिवपाची कांयच गरज ना. पूण जर थंय तुमकां दिसता की तुमचें बोट तेंकता जाल्यार मात कितें तरी दुबावीत आसा. ह्यो बारीक तुमी टेस्ट सदांच करच्यो चेंजींग रूम वापरतना, गडबड करची न्ही. तुमी जर सतर्क रावले जाल्यार तुमी सुरक्षीत उरतले.
Meanwhile, Goa IGP Sunil Garg admitted that the camera was focused towards changing room and footage reveals some cognizable offence.
The important thing is whether the CCTV camera is covering the trial room or not. So in this case it was focused on the trial room. So accordingly the investigation has been taken up. It reveals something cognizable offence. So accordingly we have registered the case.
Sneha Sabniz with Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Pealing of church bells and midnight masses mark the symbolic resurrection of Jesus Christ. The Christians across the state thronged the churches in large numbers to attend the midnight masses as part of the Easter celebrations. Celebrations of Easter mark the end of the Lenten season. Easter is an important and main Christian festival. Easter commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ.
आमी जेजूच्या पुनर्जीवनपणाची पासकांची परब करता आनी जावन आसा आमच्या सगळ्या क्रिस्ती लोकांक आख्या संवसाराक थोड्या खुशालकायेचो दीस. त्या पासत आमी आमच्या काळजांतान सगळ्या आमच्या भावां भयणांक ह्या पासकांच्या दिसाचो आनी ह्या पासकांच्या समयाचो व्हडलो उत्सव कसो आमी समोरच्याक आयज तुमकां ही आमची परबीं, ही आमची मागणी स्विकार करता.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.